Hey guys, welcome back to LP Cuber. I'm not sure how well you can see this, but I am getting ready to solve this Rubik's Cube while riding my bike down that dirt road. I would do it down this road, but it's a lot steeper and it would give me less time to solve it, so I'm going down this. Okay guys, again, not sure how well you can see this, but I am pretty much ready to go, so let's just go for it. Now, I'm probably not going to be talking a lot because I'm going to want to concentrate on not crashing. Okay. And just so you know, I'm going to be perfectly fine if I have to go back to the start of the hill and just continue where I left off, because I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to solve this in just one run. Again, I'm using beginner's method because I just can't get F2L down. If any of you know any good tutorials, let me know, because I am just really slow at it. Whoop. Okay. Almost. And now it's flat and it's going to be harder. Get some speed really quick. That. Okay. Maybe. And I solved it. Okay. Okay. That was quite... One sec. Again, I'm not sure how well you guys saw that. Hopefully it looked pretty cool. I'm not sure if you guys really care or not, but I stopped right there. The end of the road is right up here. So, like, if I had to have done probably one or two more algorithms, I'd be gone. I'm not sure if you... yeah, that sign right there is... that was the end. It just circles back around, goes back up and uphill without hands is a pain. Unless we go over the barbed wire and right in there, or there, or there. I don't really want to do that. So, hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. Okay guys, just for funsies, I'm going to do it again, but down the paved road. This should be a less bumpy ride, so that might lead to getting a better solve time. Except where it's paved, I'm gonna get faster, or sooner. Okay, so I'm just going for it. Oofers, I did the algorithm wrong. And there we go. Okay, let's stop. Okay, that I feel like I did a lot better on. So Yeah, you should just like my video because I did another run on my bike for you. Or ride, I don't even know. Anyways, see you next week. Bye, folks.